Looking to capture real-world objects in stunning digital detail? 3D scanners make it possible to turn physical items into accurate 3D models for design, printing, gaming, and professional projects. The latest scanners offer higher precision, faster scanning speeds, and easy-to-use software, making them perfect for creators, engineers, and hobbyists alike. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best 3D scanners that combine accuracy, portability, and powerful performance to bring your ideas to life in the digital world. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, 3D Maker Pro Premium 3D Scanner. When most people think of 3D scanning, they think of fuzzy models that need hours of cleanup. But today, we're looking at something that's built for those who obsess over the tiny details. This is the 3D Maker Pro Mousse, specifically the premium version. It uses next-gen blue LED structured light technology to hit an accuracy of 0.03 millimeters. For context, that's thinner than a human hair. The secret sauce here is that blue LED source. By using a single-frame structured light system, the mousse can hit a resolution of 0.07 millimeters. Whether you're capturing the grain in a piece of wood or the exact threads on a bolt, the detail is remarkably realistic. It's designed for medium format scanning, meaning it's the sweet spot for objects between 15 millimeters and 1.5 meters. As long as you stay within that 150 to 400 millimeter working distance, the results are stunning. But it's not just about the shape. This scanner supports 24-bit color scanning. It adds vivid tones, contrast, and actual texture to your models, which is a game changer if you're doing digital archiving or assets for VR. And if you're worried about having a shaky hand, it scans at 10 frames per second with built-in anti-shake and scan-back features. If you move too fast and lose your spot, it's smart enough to find its place and keep going without ruining the data. Now, 3D Maker Pro offers this in standard and luxury versions, but the premium kit we're looking at today is really the Goldilocks setup. It includes the accessories you actually need to be productive, like the rotating platform for hands-free scanning and the stabilizer to keep your captures rock solid. It's a setup that actually fits into a professional workflow, whether you're at your desk or moving around a larger object in the shop. The hardware is great, but the software is what makes or breaks a scanner. The Mousse is powered by JM Studio, and it's honestly impressive. It handles the heavy lifting like visual tracking, error correction, and auto-alignment. You don't need to be a math genius to get a clean model. It works on both Windows and Mac OS, and the best part? Lifetime free BME live updates. When you're done, just export in OBJ, STL, or PLY and send it straight to your 3D printer. The 3D Maker Pro Mousse is for the maker who refuses to settle for good enough geometry. It's precise, the color is fantastic, and the software makes the whole process feel, well, practical. Pros: complete out-of-the-box setup, standalone power, dual-range versatility, and advanced surface handling. Cons: tracking sensitivity and physical weight. Number 4, Creality Otter Lite Basic 3D Scanner. If you've got a 3D printer, you've probably reached the point where you want to stop just downloading files and start creating them. But 3D scanners always seemed expensive, bulky, or just too complicated. This is the Creality Otter Lite Basic. It weighs just 235 grams, it's completely plug and play, and it's designed to be the no-brainer upgrade for your makerspace. Don't let the Lite name fool you. This thing hits a 0.05 resolution. The standout feature here is the dual-mode scanning. You can get in close between 100 and 200 millimeters to capture tiny details on objects as small as a 20 lim cube. Or you can back off for long-range mode and capture items up to 1.5 meters away. Having that kind of range in a device this small is honestly impressive. It's versatile enough to handle a tabletop miniature or a full-sized car part. Inside, it's packing both RGB and infrared cameras. This means you aren't just getting the shape, you're getting full-color texture mapping. It scans at up to 30 frames per second, so the process is fast. Whether you're into animation, VR, or you just want a high-quality OBJ or STL file for reverse engineering, the Otter Lite captures the soul of the object. The colors and the textures, not just the geometry. One of the biggest hurdles with scanning is knowing if you're too close or too far. The Otter Lite has smart feedback. There are multicolor LED indicators and intuitive buttons right on the handle that guide you to the optimal distance. It works with Creality Scan on both Windows and Mac. If you're a beginner, there's a QR code on the box that takes you straight to tutorials. It's one of the few scanners I've tested where you can actually get a decent scan within 10 minutes of opening the box. This is the basic kit, but it's remarkably complete. You get the turntable for small objects, the calibration board, and even the reflective markers for those trickier surfaces. Everything fits into this portable case. It connects via USB 3.0, but it's even compatible with USB 2.0 if you use the optional auxiliary power. It's built for on-the-go scanning. You can literally throw this in your bag, go to a friend's house, and digitize their collection in an afternoon. The Creality Otter. Lite Basic is the perfect bridge scanner. It's portable, it's accurate, and it doesn't break the bank. If you're a maker, an animator, or just someone who wants to bring the real world into the digital one, this is a fantastic place to start. Pros: true wireless portability, high-speed capture, eye-safe mode, and full-color 24-bit design, 24-bit RGB. Cons: tracking issues and lower precision than standard Otter. Number 3. Creality Raptor 3D Scanner. Usually, in the 3D scanning world, you have to buy two different tools. You need a laser scanner for high-precision metal parts, and a structured light scanner for faces and organic shapes. This is the Creality Raptor, and it's a hybrid beast. It combines blue laser technology with infrared structured light in one unit that weighs just 372 grams. Let's start with the heavy lifting. When you switch to blue laser mode, you're getting metrology-grade accuracy up to 0.02 minutes. Because it uses all-glass lenses with a massive depth of field, it can handle everything from a tiny 5mm bolt to a 2-meter car panel. And here's the best part. It has a very low dependence on scanning spray. It can directly scan many black and metallic objects that usually give other scanners nightmares. It's fast, hitting 60 frames per second in this mode. But then, you hit a button and switch to infrared structured light. This is the no-hassle mode. It allows for marker-free scanning, which is perfect for faces, human bodies, or delicate cultural relics where you can't go sticking reflective dots everywhere. It captures full-color textures using 12 white LED lights, ensuring the digital model looks exactly like the real thing. It's a bit slower at 20 FPS, but the ease of use for organic shapes is unmatched. Creality really nailed the ergonomics here. It weighs only 372 grams, so your arm isn't going to fall off during a long scan session. They used an all-metal lens barrel and base, which isn't just for looks. It provides better thermal and mechanical stability, keeping that 0.02mm accuracy consistent even as the device warms up. The buttons are physical and clicky, so you won't accidentally pause your scan with a stray thumb touch. Setup is pretty straightforward. You get a calibration board, a scanning pad, and all the cables in the box. Now, word of warning, you're going to need some decent hardware to run this. We're talking at least an i7 Gen 7 with a 6GB NVIDIA card for Windows, or an M1, M2, M3 Mac with 16GB of RAM. The Creality Scan software walks you through your first scan step by step, helping you adjust the distance and post-process the model into a clean STL or OBJ file. The Creality Raptor is the Swiss Army knife of 3D scanners. Whether you're an engineer needing 0.02mm precision for a car part, or a digital artist scanning textures and face, this hybrid tech has you covered. Pros: high precision for technical parts, versatile hybrid technology, fast capture, and good hardware build. Cons: high system requirements and difficult calibration. Number 2, Creality Raptor Pro 3D Scanner. This is the Creality Raptor Pro, and it refuses to choose. It's an engineered for precision and scale monster that uses a dual laser system to bridge that gap. The hardware here is unique. For the big stuff, the expansive curves of a custom car body, you use the 22 cross laser lines. It gives you massive coverage and cuts down on the passes you need to make. But when you need to get surgical, you switch to the 7 parallel blue lasers. Each laser is only 0.1mm thick, allowing for an incredible accuracy of 0.02 minutes. Whether you're reverse engineering a modified engine part or checking tolerances on a turbine, this configuration is built for high-stakes accuracy. Accuracy is great, but speed is what saves you money. In blue laser mode, this thing captures data at 60 frames per second, processing 660,000 points every single second. And if you've got shaky hands, don't sweat it. Creality packed in one-shot 3D imaging and an anti-shaking design. It minimizes tracking loss, so even if you're moving around a large object in a busy shop, the scan stays stable. If you do lose your spot, the fast backtracking snaps you right back into the workflow. This isn't a delicate lab toy. It weighs just 405 grams, but it's built tough with a metal lens barrel and holder. It's also environmentally adaptable. The blue laser system is designed to handle outdoor conditions and high glare environments. Plus, it has a dual lighting system. Blue light to help the laser along and white light to enhance texture brightness. Whether you're on site or in the lab, the 2.3 million pixel imaging camera ensures every detail is captured with low distortion. The software is where the Raptor Pro really shines. The Creality Scan app is robust but surprisingly easy to use. It has step-by-step tutorials and one-click processing for beginners, but advanced editing tools for the pros. It even has dedicated face and body modes. You can actually pull off a full human body scan in about 2 minutes. And for the engineers watching, This integrates seamlessly with Geomagic Design X, Control X, and Verisurf. Your data moves straight from the scan into reverse engineering or quality control without any headaches. The Creality Raptor Pro is a versatile, industrial-grade tool that fits in the palm of your hand. It's fast, it's remarkably accurate, and it handles the transition from small parts to large-scale projects better than almost anything in its class. Pros: dual-mode versatility, industrial-grade accuracy, difficult surface handling, color and body scanning. Cons: software stability issues. Number 1 and the winner is 3D Maker Pro Toucan 3D Scanner. This is the 3D Maker Pro Toucan, and it's doing something different. It's an all-in-one design. That means scanning, editing, modeling, and exporting all happen right here on the device. No computer connection required. It's essentially a smartphone, but for 3D reality capture. The versatility here is wild. The Toucan uses a high-performance MEMS projection system. On the small end, you can capture jewelry or auto parts around 135 by 185 millimeters. But then, you can step back keeping a working distance of up to a meter and scan a whole sofa or a vehicle. It's powered by blue light technology, which is the gold standard for detail. We're talking about an accuracy of 0.03 millimeters. That is professional-grade precision in a device you can throw in a backpack. Detail isn't just about the shape, it's about the look. The Toucan has a built-in 48-megapixel color camera, but the real secret sauce is the 9-axis position sensor. It knows exactly where it is in space. This prevents the scanner from getting lost as you move around an object, which makes the stitching process so much smoother. You're turning real-world objects into high-quality digital models with a level of efficiency that used to require a $10,000 rig. Inside this shell is some serious hardware. It's running an 8-core processor with 32 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. That's why it can process all that data without a PC. And the ergonomics are great. There's this multi-level damping adjustment wheel right by your thumb. You can use it to tweak your scan brightness or zoom into the model on the fly. The shortcut buttons let you start, pause, or snap a single high-res photo without ever looking away from your subject. It feels intuitive. You get about 120 minutes of continuous use out of the 6600 mAh battery. That's plenty of time to scan a full interior of a car or a dozen smaller parts in one go. Now, a quick reality check. Handheld 3D scanning is an art form. Like 3D Maker Pro says in their notes, you need to follow the tutorials. Practice makes perfect is the mantra here. Don't expect your very first scan to be flawless. Give yourself an hour to master the rhythm of the movement, and you'll be amazed at what this thing can do. The 3D Maker Pro Toucan is the most portable, powerful, and truly mobile scanning experience I've tested. If you're a maker, an engineer, or a designer who needs to capture the world on the go, this is a game changer. Pros: standalone convenience, dual range versatility, high-quality color capture, and thoughtful ergonomics. Cons: weight and form factor and learning curve for tracking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.